In this video, we're going to show how to remove and reinstall the bowl mounting plate for the Famag IM-5, IM-8, or IM-10 mixer. Start by turning the locking ring clockwise, remove the bowl, and we'll take a 5mm hex wrench, or Allen wrench, it's also called. You want to use a wrench with a very crisp edge on its end here. If you have an older worn out wrench, we suggest you start over with a new one, because we don't want to strip the heads out of these bolts. Some of these bolts come from the Famag factory very tight, and if we strip the head out, it may mean a trip to the machine shop to have these things drilled out. So we'll loosen these up and remove them all the way. Just turn that out. They are short. I'm going to pause while I remove the rest of those. Now we have the 4 bolts removed. We can lift out the top plate and watch out for the grease that will be on the bottom of this plate and the top of the plate down here. You can see the 4 holes that the bowl feet lock into. When this plate is put on, it has to be put on in this direction. It's possible to put it on upside down like so, and then your bowl won't lock on properly. It'll lock on with the ring turned in the backward direction, and then during normal mixer operation, the bowl can come loose. That leads to trouble. So the plate needs to be on like it was here, in such a way that a counterclockwise turn has the large end of these slots leading the way. Counterclockwise, the big head is leading the way as we turn counterclockwise. Then to reinstall the top plate, make sure that this pin is into this slot here, which is different from the 4-foot slots, and it's not keyhole shaped. This goes in there. You line it over the drive shaft here, line your 4 holes up with the lower plate, reinstall bolts, and you're ready to go.